Hi, I'm Jennifer from Shabby Fabrics. I wanted to welcome you to the Patchwork Accent Runner Club, designed right here at Shabby Fabrics by our design team. We had a lot of fun thinking of different themes for each month, and we like to celebrate each month and have something to put out in our homes every single month of the year. Now I know at home I've got lots of table runners, but I also have an entryway table. I have a small table behind my couch where my table runners are just too long. They literally droop off the ends, which is why we came up with this smaller style runner. This is 9.5 by 29.5. It's an easy half-day project, and we've really done a lot of the work for you with the applique shapes being prefused and laser cut here at Shabby Fabrics. So this beautiful lace detail, can you imagine tracing and cutting that out yourself, trying to figure out how to manage the holes? We've done all that for you so that you can just focus on making patchwork, taking the prefused laser cut applique shapes, peeling off the paper, ironing them down, and then you get to use the fun metallic threads to stitch them down, or of course a different metallic or a different type of thread if you prefer to not use metallic. We thought it'd be fun to add some sparkle with our silky metallic threads. Now, if you've previously purchased any of our metallic thread sets, we have 4 different kinds, including the Dream set, which has all 84 of the metallic thread sets, including the hollow shimmer, the sulky sliver, and the original metallic, plus 4 bobbin spools we've put in there. If you've already purchased that, you don't need to purchase this metallic thread because that's already in your kit. If you haven't purchased that, that's certainly available, or you could purchase the metallic thread, which is again what we use to stitch down all of our patchwork as well as our applique shapes. Now this is, as I said, super fun, super easy. You'll get everything that you see here, including your backing fabric, only $39.50 a month. I think that's an incredible deal. You'll get a full pattern, full-size templates, full-size diagrams. I love that. So you can also, if you don't want to join the club, we will have individual kits available. They're a little bit more. They're $4 more, $43.50 for those. So you do save $4 per month by joining the club, and then you'll be getting all 12, which I think is a lot of fun. And again, it's fun to celebrate each month of the year, having just a little bit of something to put out in the house. So I hope you'll join us for the Patchwork Accent Runner Club. We know you're going to have a great time.